We are at Karura Falls. Supposedly we are going to have to walk 2 miles to get to the falls. Yeah, right. So, how's it going, Isa? But it's beautiful out here. Just a long stretch of walking through the forest in Kenya. I really like this rich dirt road. The soil is so rich here, full of minerals. There's supposedly 300 some different species of birds, but
We haven't seen
I
one.
haven't seen that one bird. What kind of flower is that? There's also monkeys out here. I'm sure they'll show themselves pretty soon. Keep up, man, keep up.
Are you climbing?
We are still walking. Where you going? Wakanda forever. Still walking. Is this an anthill? Are you sure? You can see we've taken off our jackets now. We're off the beaten path. Still walking. Sweating. We came all this way to see the falls and we're still walking. Got a long road to hoe. Just seems like a long way. So that's all I'm gonna say right now is I may not see the falls. See ya. yeah, dude. Now we hear some birds. Listen. Oh, so they're gonna stop now that I'm filming? Okay. That's how you want to play it. I'm not a hiker, so we're just strolling along, enjoying the nice air. It was only 2.5 kilometers to get to the fall, and you can blame it on me. We went, I'm not going to tell you how far we went before I said, let's go back. But anyway, still enjoying the walk. Nice view. Very peaceful and lush. And talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, this is Orah. Thanks again for watching my video. Be sure to check out my Law of Attraction books. Buy them on Amazon or the link below. Talk to you soon.